Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts in honor of the all-new Transformers movie coming out. The good folks over at Hasbro have sent us their latest Transformer robot. This here is the all-new Optimus Primal Command and Convert Animatronic. Essentially a robot. So this thing is designed to go ahead and transform from a robot state to its beast state, similar to the Optimus Prime by Robosen, but this one here is a little bit different. This here is made by Hasbro, which should be interesting to see how this all plays out. Now, this thing is on Hasbro Pulse, so if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description. And I believe this ranges from $100 plus, $120 or so, so just keep that in mind. So this here's our packaging, this here's our box, kind of shows the robot here, kind of in its current beast mode, and you can auto-convert it by using your own voice. There's over 100 different combinations. It looks like there's sounds, there's movement, there's lights, and then on the back here kind of shows like the different movements, like beats on its chest, and yeah, it looks pretty cool. I mean, I really don't know what else to say. Let's open it up and see what we're working with. Alright, so you can see our Optimus Primal. Looks like we do get a user manual in terms of how to go ahead and control this guy. Alright, okay. Aha! So pretty cool, definitely has a lot of detail. There's definitely a lot of movements. I don't hear any servos, so very interesting to see how this kind of plays out. Now he does require AA battery, so there's going to be 2 screws here to go ahead and open up the rear end. Let's go ahead and do that really quick. You know, one thing I have to say is I honestly wish these things came with batteries. I mean, to me that makes more sense, especially you're paying $120 for something like this. It's got to come with batteries. Come on, man. It's like, why do I have to pay for batteries? All right, so this is a very interesting opening. So you open those 2 screws, one side of his back pops off and then another side. Okay, so it's like not one panel but like 2, so that's kind of unique. I've not seen that before. So 4 batteries, like that. All right, we should be ready to go now. I mean, that's all there is, right? How do we turn this guy on? So again, I should probably look at the user manual, but I'm the type of guy who just likes to jump into things. Oh, there's an on-off switch right here. Boom. Well, let's take out his weapons. So there's a...
I'm Optimus Primal, leader of the Maximals.
Okay. Hi, Optimus Primal. What in the world are the directions on this thing? It doesn't say transform. So I press the button on the back. Whoa.
Show them who we are, Maximals.
There's missiles.
We must never sacrifice our honor.
He keeps like transforming back and forth. It's very interesting.
Anything else to say?
Transform. Transform. Transform.
You have an unusual planet. Robotic form should be used sparingly. Beast mode.
Oh. It transformed. Oh, now it's transforming back.
Remember, I'm in disguise.
I mean, okay, I'll be honest. For a person who actually reviews robotics for a living, this year's...
Prepare to feel the power of Optimus.
I mean, it's not bad. Oh, look at that. I mean, I do like the fact that it does have a lot of movement. He keeps talking. Okay, I'm gonna go and pause you for a second, buddy. Right, so some 2 cents. Being a robotics reviewer who does a lot of different robotics, from humanoid robots to stuff like that, this here is probably a very simplistic design, I would say. I mean, I've seen something very more unique, and that is actually the Optimus Transforming Robot by Robosen, but this one here is designed, I would say, more for children and not necessarily an adult. Again, it does do exactly what it's intended to do, but it just lacks it has so much potential. So much potential. I mean, even if it can do like a roll or some kind of movement or walk, it would be awesome. But this thing literally just transforms and goes back and forth between the two states. I do love the detail that they included with it. That's me being nice about it. And I like the fact that it does come with accessories. That is actually pretty cool too. But is it worth the price tag? I mean, if you are a Transformers fan and you're trying to add something to your collection, I mean, yes, this makes a lot of sense. But if you're looking for a robot, like a human robot or something along those lines, better options out there. But yes, I mean, this is definitely cool. I mean, it does exactly what it's intended supposed to. I can't really seem to understand the directions. It doesn't really mention anything. All it really says talk, 2 seconds, transform. And then on the back side here it says talk, clap, button. Well, I don't know what that means. Talk, clap, button, and then it should beat on its chest. Talk, clap, button, and then it should pound on the ground. I'm not sure. I mean, I really wish they would have went in a little bit more detail in the directions on there. I mean, yeah, I mean, it's cool. I mean, I'm sure as a kid this would be very entertaining, but as an adult, I feel like, man, I wish they would have done a little bit better. But again, the price tag on some of the other humanoid robots are significantly more. All right, well, there you guys have it. Overall, a pretty cool robot. And with that said, if you guys had any questions about it, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.